Hello everyone, so today we're going to be talking about writing an equation of a graph, but given a point and slope, or if you're given 2 points. So let's look at an example here. So here I gave you a graph, and I told you there's a line, and this line has a slope of -2, and then the point -2, 3 is on the line. So just to start off, we're going to put what we know. So if the point -2, 3 is on the graph, that's right here. That's the point -2, 3. And now, since slope is -2, we can rewrite that as -2 over 1, right? And I'll use red for this, and I'll use blue to show this. So from this point, if I go down 2, and then I go to the right 1, I have another point. If I go down 2, and to the right 1, I have another point. If I go down 2, and to the right 1, there's another point. And so now if I draw the line, I see very clearly the pattern. And I can tell right there, that's my y-intercept. And it is 0, -1. I already knew the slope, that was -2. And now I have that the y-intercept is -1. So the equation of this line is y equals -2x minus 1. Okay. This time I have one where I'm not giving you the graph, but I'm still giving you the point and the slope. So we know the slope is 3, so I can put that right here. The only thing that's missing is the y-intercept, so our b. Well, we're given a point, and we're just looking for a b. So we know y equals 3x plus b. Since I'm given a point, I'm given the x and the y. I can just plug those in, and then I can solve for b. So instead of y, I'm going to put 2. And then instead of x, I'm going to put 1. And then I solve for b, so I get 2 is equal to 3 plus b. If I subtract 3 from both sides, I get -1 equals b. So I have my y-intercept. So I can put it right here. So my equation is y is equal to 3x minus 1. Let's say I have the situation now where I'm given 2 points. So now I need the slope and the y-intercept. I have -2, 1. And then I have 4, 2. If I want, I can find the slope. So let's see, go up. I want to change this. I want to make this -1, my fault. So we'll change this point right away. We'll make it -2, -1. If I make the line, I see that it's going to be this. And if I want to find the slope, it looks like here I went up 3, and then I went to the right 6. So I know that the slope is 3 over 6. And remember, that simplifies to 1/2. Since I know that the slope is 1/2, I can use that to help me find other points. If I go up 1, I go to the right 2. So there's a point. If I go up 1, I go to the right 2. So there's another point. And there's my y-intercept, 0, 0. So the y-intercept is 0. And then I can write my equation as y equals 1/2 x, because since we're adding 0, we don't need to show that. Here's another example, except this time again without a graph. So again, I need my slope, and I need my y-intercept. To find slope, I can stack the 2 points on top of each other. And remember, slope is going to be subtracting the y's, so 9 minus 6, over 8 minus 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4, so my slope is 3/4. And now to find my b, I can pick any point I want, and I can put it in the equation, and I can solve for b. So we have y is equal to 3/4 x plus b. I'm going to pick this point, so we'll say here's our x, here's our y. So instead of y, I'll put 6. Instead of x, I'll put 4. 3/4 times 4 is 3. And then I have 6. If I subtract 3 from both sides, I get 3 is equal to b, and that's my y-intercept. And there's my final equation.